Will AI replace graphic designers? So does that mean graphic designers are sting lately? Every week, there's a new AI tool claiming it can create logos, posters, and social media posts in seconds. So, does that mean graphic designers are about to become irrelevant? Well, the answer is not really, because here's the simple truth. AI is incredibly good at generating designs, but generating a design is not the same as solving a business problem. When a client hires a designer, they're not paying for pretty visuals. They're paying for someone who understands their brand, their audience, their goals, and turns all of that into communication that actually works. AI doesn't ask the right questions. It doesn't challenge bad ideas. It doesn't build trust with clients, but a skilled designer absolutely does. Now, will AI replace some designers? The answer is definitely yes, the ones who only know how to make things look good, because AI can already do that. But designers who understand strategy, branding, marketing, storytelling, and human psychology, they'll become even more valuable. The future isn't AI versus designers. It's designers who use AI versus designers who don't. So don't waste your time competing with AI. Learn how to work with it. Because AI isn't great designers. It's simply replacing average workflow flows and outdated processes. And that is a very big difference. So let's be clear, graphic designers. Learn the tools, keep improving, and you'll always stay ahead. Do you think AI will replace designers, or will it simply make great designers even better? Comment your thoughts below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more content on AI, design, and creativity.